如果播的完了以后停止就行，让它才
钱还没退呢，反正是。光退了41万，还得钱你怎么退？
开始。
打电话来说哦，多余话没说，我说只收了132万。
好了，狗屎，开始。
开始。
你先说两句吧。
我
我马上过来。
先是不用干嘛？
嗯。
已经开始了吗？
开始。
然后没说这个。
稍等。麻烦你关下门。麻烦你关下门。
关上，然后行。
Hello everyone, this is welcome to our live streaming. This is Jonathan and glad to meet you here. Today we would like to introduce some good products of our company. First, let me introduce some general information about our company. First, our company is a professional steel supplier which supply various steel products such as steel sections, steel coils, and stainless steel products. We can provide customized purchase advice and competitive price and good quality. We sincerely invite our customer to visit our company and factory. And now, you have a general idea about our company. Let's take a look about the products we are going to show you today, which is stainless steel products. Now, before we start, I would like to say if you are interested in our products and our company, you can click the following button. And next time you will see us. And we will bring you more good products of our company. Okay, so firstly I would like to start with some general information about stainless steel. Stainless steel is widely used because of its corrosion and heat resistance, high temperature oxidation resistance, and its polishing weldable and foldable. That makes it a desirable material in many industries, such as food industries, architectural decoration, home appliances, and car industries, and so on. According to the material, according to the composition, it can be divided into 5 series, which is 400 series and 300 series and 200 series, 500 series and 600 series. About this series, there are some common grades in our life, and you can normally find on the market and in our life. So the first one is the 201. The 201 shows poor corrosion resistance. It is widely used as a cheap substitute for 300 series in China. It has characteristics of polishing and no bubble and no pinholes. It is high quality material for the product of various watch cases and strap bottom covers. And next one is the 304. 304 stainless steel is the most commonly used. The products such as corrosion resistance containers, medical equipment, tableware, furniture, and railings are usually use 304 stainless steel. The standard composition is 18% chromium and plus 8% nickel. After 304 stainless steel, the 316 stainless steel is the next most widely used steel type, which is mainly used in the food industry and the surgical equipment, adding special element to make it have a special structure resistance to corrosion, because it has better resistance to chloride than 304. It is also used as marine steel. The next one is the 400 stainless steel. It is a ferritic and metallic stainless steel. It has no magnets. It also can replace the 304 stainless steel to a certain extent. So if you don't have enough budget, I believe the 400 stainless steel is a good choice for you to replace the 304. But of course, it is under some certain extent. And the last one is the 430. 430 stainless steel is also a ferritic stainless steel and is good for decoration like cars. It shows good moldability, but it doesn't show much temperature resistance and corrosion resistance. So that is general information about the stainless steel and some common grade in our life and on the market. You can easily find. I hope you have general information about our stainless steel products. So if you are interested in our products and you would like to know more, please kindly click the following button and we will bring you more information about our products. And you can click the catalog button. You can click the catalog button on the bottom, and we have some specific information of our company and our products. As we mentioned, we are the professional steel supplier, and not only we can supply stainless steel products, but also we can provide some other products such as carbon steel or the copper products or the aluminum. Okay, back to the topic. Next part, I would like to show you some surface treatment of the stainless steel products. There are some surface treatment I believe you must be interested in. So the first one is the 2B surface. The 2B surface is a very common surface. We have some symbol here. As you can see, this surface is a 2B surface. 2B surface is a matte finish of the stainless steel cold roll surface. After cold rolling, it is heat treated, pickled, and finished by rolling to make the surface bright, commonly used for the tableware building materials with the surface treatment that improves mechanical properties. They are suitable for almost all applications. As you can see, this is 2B surface, and this kind of surface is widely used in our life, and you can easily find on the market. It's a very common surface. And the next one is a 2B surface. And the next one is a 2B surface. Oh, sorry, not 2B surface, B surface. My bad. B surface. B surface, which means bright surface. Bright surface. As you can see, this symbol is B surface. This symbol is B surface, and a product obtained by cold rolling and bright annealing followed by flattening. It has excellent surface glows, and it has excellent surface glows and high reflectivity, like the surface of mirror for home applications, mirrors, kitchen equipment, decorative materials. The B surface would be an excellent choice for you. So this surface is a BA surface, bright surface. As you can see, it's very bright and it's very blue. It's very smooth. And as we mentioned, it has high reflectivity, and it can reflect the light very easily, and you can see your face clearly on the surface. Not very clearly. I think you can see your face. You can almost see your face on the surface, but not very clearly. But next surface will reflect our face very, very clearly. And next surface we are going to show you is the 8K surface. 8K surface. As you can see, this surface can reflect your face very clearly.
你有哪个号嘞？你有日高
日高，我没有同。
你只有日高连续。
我只有一个日高，我堂主给出去了已经。This surface is 8K surface. We can compare these two kind of surface. As you can see, this 8K surface is even brighter than the BA surface. It is very bright. It is very bright, and just like the mirror, you can see the face. You can see your face clearly on the surface, and I think it shows highest reflectivity in these surfaces. It's also very bright. I think it's a very good choice for you to decorate your some home places, or the decorative materials such as the wall under yes, that is mostly. The next one is the HL surface. The HL surface, which is a hairline surface. HL surface, which means the hairline surface. As you can see, the pattern of this surface is just like the hairline one by one on the surface. It shows a strong sense of the art, I think. And this kind of surface, I think, is the best choice for you to decorate your house or your buildings on the wall in this surface. So I believe about these surfaces, I think they have different advantages. So according to your requirement, you can choose the suitable surfaces for you to decorate or to use in your daily life. And these are the surfaces we have here, and I hope you have a general information about these surfaces and interested. 你给我现在回不了。
一会儿回。这没有微信吗？我怎么复制链接啊？你有 U 盘吗？没有。
你下一个屏。I hope you have general information about the surfaces, and if you are interested in our products and these services, you can send an inquiry to us, and we have the customer services here, and he will help you with our rich experiences to solve your inquiry.
知道，孙阳，孙阳，当时给那个卖股票的， 卖完那会儿我说了嘛，只称的7,000人民币，多余的不承认，说了嘛，说的是的嘛，7,000人民币。
And okay, back to topic. And after we introduce the surface of the And as after we introduced the surface of the stainless steel, and now I would like to introduce some feature of the stainless steels. So stainless steel is obviously the word is a very obviously word, and stainless steel it's hardly to corrosion. It's hardly to corrode. No, not corrosion. I think it's hardly to get rust. Yes, stainless steel is it's hardly to get rust, and it has a strong corrosion resistance. So the first feature I would like to show you is corrosion resistance. Unlike the carbon steel, stainless steel do not suffer uniform corrosion when exposed to wet environments. Unprotected carbon steel rusts readily when exposed to a combination of air and moisture. The resulting iron oxide surface layer is porous and fragile. In addition, as iron oxide occupies a larger volume than the original steel, this layer expands and tends to flake and fall away, exposing the underlying steel to further attack. In comparison, stainless steels contain sufficient chromium to undergo passivation, forming a thin insert surface film of the chromium oxide by reaction with the oxygen in the air and even a small amount of the dissolved oxygen in the water. This passive film prevents further corrosion by blocking oxygen diffusion to the steel surface and thus prevents the corrosion from spreading into the bulk of the metal. This film is self-repairing even when scratched or temporarily disturbed by an upset condition in the environment that exceeds the inherent corrosion resistance of that grade. The resistance of this film to corrosion depends upon the chemical composition of the stainless steel, chiefly the chromium content. It is customary to distinguish between four forms of corrosion: uniform pitting, galvanic, and stress corrosion cracking. Any of these forms of corrosion can occur when the grade of stainless steel is not suited for the working environment. Environmental environment.
你的套路给谁了？
啊？
套路给谁？
那个桑尼。And that's the main feature of the stainless steel, which is corrosion resistance. Corrosion resistance is a very important features for the stainless steel. And different grade has different grade has a different corrosion resistance abilities. And just like 304 and 316, it shows better corrosion resistance than the other grade of stainless steel, such as 201 or 400. And the next one, next one is introduction of the stainless steel plate, sheet, strip, and coil. A stainless steel sheet or plate is a typical sheet metal formed by an industrial process into thin, flat pieces. They are widely used in building construction, medical table, decoration.
Decoration.
重音的 decoration.
Decoration. 我也不记得。
Home appliances, automobile, and air conditioning systems. In fact, the terms sheet and plate are confusing. Both of them are flat rolled metal products of some minimum thickness and width, dependent on the type of the metal. The thickness of the stainless steel plates are commonly equal to or larger than 5 mm, with a width larger than 250 mm. A stainless steel sheet has a thickness under 5 mm, which its width is equal to or larger than 600 mm. The flat piece with a thickness under 5 mm while its width is under 600 mm is considered as a stainless steel strip. The stainless steel sheet can be supplied in flat pieces or coil types. The stainless steel coils are formed by running a stainless steel sheet or strip through a roll sliter. Stainless steel sheet possess untarnished surface appearance and corrosion resistance as its main advantages. As mentioned, the untarnished surface appearance and corrosion resistance is a very significant features of the stainless steel, and it can be welded and cut without damaging its corrosion resistance. Compared with the galvanized steel sheet, stainless steel sheet is very tough, but it can still be readily worked in sheet metal workshop.
Hello. Hello everyone. This is Anna.
Yes, this is my partner Anna, and she just come back with busy work. Yes.
Yeah.
And after she arrived, and he can help me with some.
Which part?
Okay, I just introduced the
Which
differences between the sheet, plate, strip, and coil.
So quickly you introduce to stainless steel sheet, plate, strip, and coil.
Yes, I just finished this part.
我是这儿还是这儿？你都 finished 了。
我都 finished 了，肯定是这儿啊。
这儿啊？
算了，
这儿the surface. Did you introduce the surface?
Of course.
Of course.
Of course. When you are busy there, and I was introducing the surface, different surface.
And I have some questions.
Okay.
Like this This is small plate, but it's so heavy. And I want to know why the surface are different. It's bright and it's black.
Okay.
暗是 dark.
Dark.
Why?
You know this simple, right?
Okay, this simple.
This simple is this simple combines two kind of materials.
Two kind of materials on one plate.
Yes. Yes.
Wow. Wow.
And as you can see, this side is 304 stainless steel. This side is 304 stainless steel. And this side, as you can see, is carbon steel.
Unbelievable. It's so unbelievable.
Yes, I can see your surprise face.
Yes.
I can see your surprise face. And so that's why this side is bright and this side is dark.
Yes.
And of course you can see this side is very smooth.
Smooth, yes, so smooth.
Yes.
I like touch.
Yes. And this side is kind of tough.
So
rough.
Yes, so black.
Yes, and it's black. So this is this combines two kind of materials, which means it can mix the two advantages of these materials to one plate.
Advantage?
Yes.
What advantage?
Not only he can show the corrosion resistance and excellent surface of the stainless steel, but also he can show the hardness of the carbon steel.
Great. 解释是 explanation.
Explain.
名词。
Explanation.
Thank you for explanation.
Yes.
It's so
yes.
great. Thank you very much.
My pleasure.
I know.
My
I know
pleasure.
this plate.
Oh.
This two cancel material plate.
Yes.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
And this golden surface. The golden surface is also bright.
Yes.
Right?
Yes. It's also
it
bright.
can be used like a mirror.
Yes.
So beautiful. Beautiful. So handsome. Handsome boy.
I think this simple just like the copper mirror in the ancient China.
Yeah. Yes. And
right.
The copper is expensive, but it's so like and beautiful.
Yes. Copper mirror. I think.
sound 大声拉这里，大声。
什么玩意儿？
大声声音大。
Loudly.
Loudly, sorry. Loudly, sound loudly.
No, not sound loudly.
Sound.
It's speak loudly.
Speak. Oh, okay. Speak loudly, please. Speak loudly, please. Please.
I will try.
Okay.
I will try.
Okay, thank you for cooperate.
You are welcome. My pleasure.
Okay, go on. The copper material, like
and,
copper.
Asian China people and or called our ancestors and or called our ancestors.
It's similar. The color is so similar. It's similar. Yes, right?
Yes.
Color
yes.
copied pretend.
Yes.
是吧？是这么读，才读。
美工同学，你看一下有没有哪个平台我刚才录出去了，就是我们两个都在框上。
俩都在里边吗？
哦。Yes. Which this one and that one.
This color, the two color is similar.
Let me have a look of this one.
Okay. Oh, I just have a thought.
What?
Thought.
What kind of
It's
thought?
it likes铜质的 copper mirror in the 古代是
What are you
那个古代的中国古代的铜镜。
Asian China.
Ancient
China.
What ancient?
Ancient is 古代的。
Oh, okay. Is it like a copper mirror?
I know. Do you know why I know it? I know.
I just have a thought. Don't cry me. Don't joke me.
I'm not joke on you, but do you remember a few minutes ago I said it's like a copper mirror?
Yes. Sorry.
But why? Oh.
I thought you said the material like copper, not. Yeah. Okay, go on, please.
I think this one, this color is lighter than this one. I think.
Lighter 是不是
轻点。
轻？哪个轻啊？
这个轻点。我说的颜色，你在听吗？
我说呢，颜色 yeah. This color is
this color is lighter than this. Yes. And I think both of these are very beautiful and excellent. I think it is very good choice for you to decorate your building or your house. If you have a business building, just like Jackie Ma.
哪里
Jackie Ma.
Jackie
他是叫 Jackie 吗？
哪个叫 Jackie 吗？我知道不是，这叫是不是叫 Jackie？就 Jackie 吧。
就 Jackie 吧。If you have a business building just like the Jackie Ma, I think you can choose this kind of sample to decorate your business building.
Yes, it's so 合适是 suitable.
Suitable, and it looks very splendid. It will make your building look like a palace.
Summer place. Place 还是 palace? Place. Okay, you are right. Okay.
Summer palace. 是哪呀？夏宫。故宫啊，故宫。
哪有圆明园？颐和园，圆明园。
哪的呀？我忘了。
对，圆明园，适合过夏天。
Palace 宫殿的意思。
对，适合过夏天的宫殿。
Palace 宫殿的意思。
and 说到哪了？这里吗？
说这个。
我说这儿吗？这说吗？
说了，我说完了。
好。
就不说了。
Let next part. Next part I will introduce for you cold rolling process for stainless steel sheet or coil. Generally, the saw material of cold rolling is hot rolled stainless steel coil. The hot-rolled stainless steel coil should be first decoated, packed, 是吧? And discarrused for the preparation of falling produces. Then it is fed to famous Shandong.
It is, of course, it is fed to famous Z-mills. Yes.
Famous Z-mills. And for cold rolling, in this step, the stainless steel passes through a series of rolling mill stands which squeeze. Okay, thank you. Squeeze the sheet to reduce its thickness in the cold state. Cold rolling causes hardening of the stainless steel, so subsequent cold annealing packaging process is required to soften it. Following grinding of polishing jobs are to improve the surface quality of the sheet. Finally, cold-rolled stainless steel sheet or strip runs through the cylinder line, forming coils. 没有美颜了。
不是之后的只能这样吗
？Which will be 回去调。Which will be carefully inspected, marked, packaged, and socket. Okay, that's right. Cold rolling is to further thin number 1 steel plate to the target thickness at room temperature. Compared with hot-rolled steel plate, cold-rolled steel plate thickness is more accurate. Okay, and the surface is smooth, beautiful, but also has a variety of
superior mechanical properties.
Okay, 好的。especially machining performance 越扫越不会 because the cold-rolled original coil is brittle and hard. It is not suitable for processing, so the cold-rolled steel plate is usually handed to the customer after annealing. Annealing 怎么有你 annealing 了 ？annealing pack
我刚说的不是 annealing
不是 packaging and surface leveling 我怎么记得住 The maximum thickness of cold rolling is the maximum thickness of cold rolling is 0.1 to 8 millimeters below, such as most of the factory cold rolling steel plate thickness is below 4.5 millimeters. the minimum thickness and width are determined by the equipment capacity 对吧 of each plant and market demand. Okay, it's finished.
Oh.
Wait me a moment, I will come at once.
What? Where are you going?
Adjust the 效果。你进来，你都出去了，你把手机拿过来也行。OK。对，摄像头这里用美颜。Go on.
Go on.
My had some partner.
You mean? Okay, our partner Anna is very busy now again, and I will introduce some general information, other information about stainless steels. So I would like to show you some difference between the hot rolled and cold rolled. Before we start, I would like to see if you are interested in our live streaming. You can click the following button, and we will see you next time. Now, of course, you can click the catalog button, and you will get our company catalog. It has various products and information about our company. As mentioned, we not only we can supply stainless steel, but also we can supply carbon steels, aluminum, and copper and other materials.
I come in again.
And now back to the topic. The differences between the hot rolled and the cold rolled. Cold rolled stainless steel sheet has more accurate dimensional tolerance than that of hot rolled, unless taking subsequent pickling or descaling treatment. Hot rolled stainless steel sheet comes with a rough gray finish, when cold rolled has a shining whitish surface finish. From an economic view, cold rolled stainless steel are more expensive than hot rolled ones. Hot rolled has better ductility and moldability, while the cold-rolled is harder and has more strength. So, in conclusion, the differences between hot-rolled and cold-rolled stainless steel is mainly about the surface and strength. The cold-rolled stainless steel has a better surface than the hot-rolled, and of course, the hot-rolled surface price is better than the cold-rolled. That's the general differences between the hot-rolled stainless steel and the cold-rolled stainless steel.
Okay, let me introduce the stainless steel pipes. Stainless steel pipes we have some symbols in the live streaming, right?
Yeah.
Symbols. And this small round pipe is so short.
Yes.
And I want to list the thickness. Okay. Thickness is sorry. Okay. Oh, okay. Thickness is
the thickness is 8 point. Hold it.这个研究为什么比它薄啊
let us measure the thickness of a pipe.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Pipe. I mean, you measure.
Okay.
I
will measure this thickness, and you just take a look about the thickness number.
Okay. About 2.3 millimeters. Let's show us. Okay, thank you. Okay.
你看不见，我天天都上班。
上偏着。
哦，不是。
Okay.
Okay, that is 2.3 millimeter.
为什么你那么靠边儿？
我不知道，你摄像头的问题啊，不是我的问题，跟你。
你往这怎么弄？好了，我俩出去了吗？
没有。
好了，怎么？我再往这边。
他再往那一点点。
往那一点。3个都好了吗？3个。
手机和电脑看不一样，你知道吗
？OK，我说了什么？稍微 wait a minute.
Okay, we will wait. We have plenty of minutes here. We have plenty of time here. We can stay here all night.
And I will introduce the stainless steel pipe. Stainless steel pipe includes round pipe, square pipe.
Yeah.
句型是
rectangular
pipe. Rectangular 是句型吗？Rectangular pipe. Okay. Stainless steel pipe is a is primarily used in piping systems for the transport of fluids or gases, right? We manufacture steel pipe from a steel oil containing alloy. Okay. We manufacture steel pipe from a steel alloy containing nickel as well as chromium, which gives stainless steel its corrosion-resistant properties. Stainless steel pipe resistance or oxidation, making it a low maintenance solution that is suitable for high temperature and chemical applications because it is easily cleaned and cleaned. Stainless steel pipe is also desired for applications involving food, beverages, and pharmaceutical applications. Stainless steel pipe is commonly manufactured using welding processes or extrusion. The welding process involves shaping steel into a pipe shape and then welding the seams together to hold the shape. Extrusion creates a seamless product and involves heating a steel rod and then piercing it through the middle to create a pipe. It's so 复杂还是 complex? It's so complex to produce a pipe.
Yes, of course.
The term pipe and tube are often used to tube. Sorry. The term pipe and tube are often used to describe the same product, but it is important to know the difference. Though they share the same cylindrical. Though they share the same cylindrical shape, steel pipes and are measured by the interior diameter. Whereas steel tubes are measured by the outside diameter and wall thickness. Another difference is that pipes are used to transport fluids and gases, which while tubes are used to build parts or structural components. Okay. Finished.
Okay.
And I want to show the symbols like a pipe to my 观众是 live our friend.
Okay, no problem. Of course.
This long symbol. It's so heavy.
It's very long and it's very heavy.
我像大力水手。Heavy and strong.
What? You mean you are heavy and you are strong?
Yeah, both. Okay.
Okay, it's a very long pipe and it's very heavy.
Would you like to measure the length?
Okay.
Let's data.
Let's measure.
Let's
Measure.
长度数据 data.
我干什么数据？
长度的数据。
你要干什么长度的数据？
测量。
对呀。
Measure length data.
Yes. 对呀，你等这个动词。
Okay, I know. Thank you. A little angry.
I'm not free.
The length
is about
108 millimeter.
millimeter.
厘米是
你直接换
你是多少？108。It's about the length is about 0.108 meters. Yes, I'm right. Don't 是吧？108厘米
1.08厘米
108厘米。哦，
这是1米。
I'm wrong. Sorry, the length of the pipe is 1.08 meters.
Yeah, of course.
Next time you will have to tell me early.
I'm also very bad at math and numbers.
And do you have any question to ask me and my partner? I will help you.
Yes, we can help you with our experiences and.
This round pipe is so different.
Yes, this is copper pipe.
Would you like to introduce this small round pipe? It has copper material also.
Yes, because it is a copper pipe.
Copper pipe.
Copper pipe?
Yes. It is made of copper, as we know, copper shows strong ability. No, strong ability. 它是啥嘞？
什么它是啥？
它是导电来导热嘞？
导电，铜线，导电。Editors.
Yeah. Copper is a very excellent material to transport the electricity. Yes, electricity.
Yes, you are great. You are right.
Yes.
Right.
And also the price of the copper is a little bit high than the stainless steel, I believe.
Yes. The price is higher than stainless steel pipe.
Yes.
And the stainless steel pipe is is the price of the stainless steel pipe is higher than carbon steel pipe.
Yes. So clever. So smart.
Yes, thank you. Let me see the symbols. I thought this material is so bright. You can like everything on the surface. It's like a mirror.
Yes, it's like a mirror.
What is the surface?
I think
You
it
think?
is a BA surface. 不能是吧？我记得好像是 BA 430。
是吗？它这不是红的吗？好，这个样子。Okay, that's BA surface.
Yes.
BA surface. Did you introduce the BA surface?
Yes.
I want to introduce again.
Okay, of course.
BA surface is
Go
my
ahead.
part.
Go ahead.
BA surface is also bright surface. A product obtained by cold rolling and bright annealing. 我怎么老忘？ annealing followed by flattening, excellent surface gloss and high reflectivity, like the surface of a mirror. Yes, it's like a mirror.
Yes. It's like
reflecting my beautiful face. Okay. For home applicants, mirrors, kitchen equipment, decorative materials, and so on. When I go work, I saw the elevator. The elevator used this BA surface stainless steel plate.
Yes.
Yes.
And I think
what?
it is very bright and it is very useful.
Yes.
I can see my face every day when I go to work in the elevator.
Yeah.
And I can check if there is anything on my face.
Yes. And the clothes is
or on my teeth.
Okay. Okay. Yes. And this surface are different, a little different than BA surface. This small simple the surface is 8K surface, right? 8K surface even bright surface like a mirror, and it's brighter 更亮是 more brighter 说对了I'm right, okay. It's more it's brighter than BA surface. I think it can be used by the 装饰是什么decorate 被用来装饰。
那前面加be用词。
What are used to be decorate? The common grams 语法是多少次 The common 就通常的语法 grammar The common grammar 来看，我会是 I can just next part next next the next the 是这个
不是在书里
like this simple book, big and heavy.
Yes, it's very heavy.
Let us show the book to my friends. This golden color is also like copper material. Looks like, right?
Yes, I think it looks like copper, and also I think this one is more like gold.
Yes,
Gold.
What applications? What 应用是 in that 应用是？
中文告诉我。
它应用在哪些？Generally used. What?
你要问我呀？
对呀，我问你。
你问我那肯定我得开头。
对呀，我就好奇嘛，不应该疑问句吗？
那你刚才说他被经常用了，我以为你说你要说个陈述句。
No。问。
啊，那我问你啊。
我问你，我的问啊，我问啊。
那就是，what applications does these materials generally use?
You answer. Thank you. I want to know. I want to know quickly.
I think these various colors, symbols, and such excellent surface should be used in decorating, such as cars, the buildings. I don't think it is very suitable to use in the factory or the warehouse or the workshop. Yes.
The application is so large. 应用领域广泛，我看是large. Wait a minute, there's a question. Are you a factory? Are you a factory? Yes, we are manufacturer. Our company is the professional steel supplier from China. We supply various kinds of steel profile, steel section, and stainless steel products, and so on. We can provide customers services, competitive prices, good quality control, and purchase advice. Sincerely invite domestic and foreign merchants to visit. Okay. Our company is the professional steel supplier from China. We are manufacturer. This page, the symbol is beautiful for this color.
Yes.
This surface
it's kind of bright and it's very smooth if you touch the surface.
But I can see some lines on the symbols.
Yes. Just like it has lots of lines and it's very messy.
Messy.
Hmm.
Oh yes. Messy. Messy.
And I think this kind of symbol shows the sense of art, and I believe it is very suitable to decorate the
building holly. 大厅是 The building.
Yes. It's very suitable to decorate the
building meeting room.
Yes. Yes.
Okay.
And I think if there is some art
美术
I think this one would be very suitable, such as
museum.
Yes, museum.
MUSEUM.
Yes, just like the museum or the gallery.
Yes. So art.
Yes.
And this the material, the stainless steel can be product on red color.
Of course, just like this one.
And the blue color.
Yes, as you can see, we have various colors here, just like blue or the red or the brown or the black.
Through technology, what does the simple?
I think
through technology.
I think it's color painted.
Yes.
I think it's color painted, and we can supply various colors you would like to choose. And if you are interested in this kind of patterns and colors, you can send the inquiry to us. And
we can customize for you.
Yes, we can. We can customize the color and the pattern for you if you are interested in this. Or you can send us your
and then
你别太开低气。
Introduce Jonathan.
I would like to take a rest and wait you to come back.
I'm coming.
We are waiting for you to introduce the samples.
Thank you everybody. Thank you for waiting.
Our pleasure. You're welcome. Thank you.
Oh, the color. Color painting.
Color painting.
Next page. Next. This simple, I think it's more it's article 艺术更艺术是 more article
Wow.
Article. Okay, more article. It's more suitable. It's more suitable to use the
Museum.
对 museum and 画的还是 gallery. Okay. Right. It's like carry. 蜡笔是 carry.
我不知道蜡笔是。
It's like carry. Korean. Yeah. It's like Korean on the material, right?
Yes. Of course. No, just like Korean. Korean paint.
Yes, Korean paint. And look. 这，我介绍一下霉菌。
好家伙，这边的英语。
你不是之前介绍过霉菌吗
And this surface just like it looks like
messy 霉菌。
Okay, it looks like the food rotten in the summer.
Yes.
And this green colors. This green color just like the message on the food in the summer.
Yes.
I don't like this one.
I don't like too. But I think someone like this. It can be used by floor. 地板。可以吗？
是。
It's so art. On the floor, I thought.
刚铺地板。
多滑呀。Okay, next, I want to next.
这个绿色还可以吗？
完美。I saw some square 格子是 square, I something square 格子。
Square 最近。
Square, yes, on the material. Some smooth, some 粗糙是那啥？Roof, some smooth, some roof.
Okay.
This surface is so 复杂是 complex. This surface is so complex. The technology, I thought the technology is also complex.
Yes, of course. As you can see, the pattern is complex and beautiful. And when you see something is very excellent, we can know it is very expensive and complex to make.
Yes, it looks like so expensive.
Yes.
I think this material and this can be decorated on the building and 大厅是 hall 吧 ？hall 对吧
Hall.
And the hotel hall. Hall, right?
Yeah.
Because it is so beautiful. And the business building, yes.
Yes. It looks very splendid.
And this material looks like wooden. Wooden.
Yes.
It has a wooden pattern.
As you can see, the
wooden pattern can be used
on the wall, I believe,
wall,
or the ground.
ground 不滑吗？我感觉是。哎呀，OK。你困了不是？啊，这是。this material touch so
rough.
怎么拼
？ROUGH。
ROUGH 肉，那不是困难艰难吗？
那就
肉 tough 是啊 tough 是对困难艰难对 tough 是好对 tough 是艰难。
And this one, it touches not smooth at all.
Yes, it's so much. It's so rough. I have studied words.
Yes.
Rough.
And
what
this
happened
one.
to your eyes, Jonathan?
I don't know. It's very uncomfortable.
生病是 sick. Sick. Are you sick?
我下沉了。
Sick.
我下沉了。
那个单词叫什么
？Sick.
对呀。
你说的 sink 下沉沉下去了，沉没了。那个船沉了。
Sorry. You are healthy.
船沉下去。
Okay, let's go on. The surface is rough and.
Yes, I believe this is a kind of blast surface. Blast.
Blast 是。
喷砂的那种。
哦，对 blast. Yes. The explanation is great.
Yes.
Explanation is great.
Yes, of course.
And this coil. This coil is so thickness. It is 薄是
Thin.
thin. Thin 是厚。
Thin 是厚 ，thin 是薄。
Thin 对。The thickness is so thin.
Yes.
Only 0.1 millimeters. It can be marked.
I want to measure it.
Okay. Let you measure. I want to try. Okay. Awesome.
Let me try first. You after.
Together.
No. It's 0.1. 0.1.
Okay. Only 0.1 millimeters.
Yes. 我看一眼。
这刻的时候。And the coil, this is a stainless steel coil. The material is 316. It's stainless steel 316. This friend want to would like to get the following services or introduction company strengths. Our company is the professional supplier from China. We supply various kinds of steel profile, steel section, and stainless steel products, and so on. We can provide customers the services, competitive prices, good quality control, and purchase advice. Sincerely invite domestic and foreign merchants to visit. Now, and they also want to know shipping and logistics. Shipping, we can support shipping air by shipping air.
No.
Or
just by ship.
Ship, okay.
Air. Or the train.
Tree.
不是，这是火车，说的是 truck。卡车。
And to port.
Yes.
Port. To your port.
Yes.
And I have a question. The big diameter, outer diameter,
yes,
can 容纳包含是 contain.
Yeah.
Contain the small 好长你到哪儿small diameter. It can be save the freight.
Yes, of course. When
to save room and room.
Yes, when you order some pipes and they have the different dimensions, we can put the smaller pipe in the bigger pipe to save some rooms, and maybe in this way you can save 1 or 2 containers when you are shipping your products.
Yes, it more suitable on container. Container. Okay. And this also the live streaming is also have a simple rectangular pipe.
Yeah.
Rectangular pipe is so bright. I think the first surface is get 看多少了 BA surface, right?
这个是个 BA.
Yes, BA. BA surface.
Yes.
The surface and the surface like the products like length, width, thickness.
Yes.
And the surface can be customized.
Yes, it can be customized. Yeah.
Customized, and also can customize how high-end customized.
High-end customized.
Customize stainless steel.
Yes, of course.
like the simple book. Everything you want, you can tell us. We can supply for you about the stainless steel products and the carbon steel products. MOQ, what is MOQ?
MOQ, which is minimum of the quantity.
Yes, I wanted MOQ is for our products. MOQ is
generally is about 1 ton.
I thought it's about 5 tons.
Okay, why not 10 tons?
MOQ is 5 tons, okay?
You mean the MOQ of the stainless steel product?
1 ton is also okay.
Yes. It doesn't make sense. It doesn't make sense. If 1 ton is okay, why the MOQ is 5 ton?
MOQ is 1 ton.
Okay. Of course. The minimum of quantity is 1 ton. Yes. But if the quantity you need is large, we can offer you a favorable price and discount on your price. So if you are interested in our products, kindly send the inquiry to us, and we can offer you the good quality and price.
Jonathan, would you like
No.
to?
No.
You like one. You like her. You would like. You want her.
I am not very want. I am very.
Well, I just 鼓掌是 stamp， 鼓掌是 cup stamp。
Clap.
clap 对 clap。 I give you clap and I want to
How about I give you 10 minutes clap and you have a little song?
No. my tongue is not correct 准确是，对，我的音调is not 正确。
舌头不太正确。
音调T 音调是音律是算了。I can't.
What?
I can't sing songs.
Neither do I. I have a.
Okay, shut up. Okay. Okay, I don't want to see. I want to this simple. Okay. This simple is the big on the diameter. Big.
It's of course it's big.
It looks like my partner Jonathan's face.
恼羞成怒。
Okay. This diameter, outer diameter is 8.9 millimeters. Millimeters, and the thickness is 1.44 millimeters.
Let me have a look.
You don't trust me.
I just want to take a look about the tape. I wrote it. I write it.
Oh.
And I tape it.
Really?
Yes.
Okay.
It was a long time ago.
Okay.
About 5 years. It's about 5 years. that is a very cold winter. That it is very. The wind is strong. That day.
You are speak a story.
And the snow is very strong too. And I spent about 2 hours from my home to my company. I almost died on the way. But finally I survived from the wind and the snow.
Oh, you
and
did.
Finally I came to the company, and then I used my the rest of my strength to write the letters
Market.
on the tape and the tape on the sample.
Okay, thank you.
Yes, and then I fall down and
行了，OK。对，啥的。这是，the pipe's material is different.
yes.
This is stainless steel 201.
Yes.
And this is stainless steel 304. Right?
Yes, of course.
It's higher.
Sorry?
Than so hard. I don't forget it. And为什么？因为太多人了。
我不知道，我记得有一次直播的时候
1、2、3。
1、2、3还是3、4忘了。
1、2、3。
这才8点，这多少钱？
再说10分钟的10 minutes。
10分钟。
Are you? Do you have any questions for us? And you can catalog. You can click the catalog button, and our customer service will reply to you, and also can ask us, and I will help you, and I will ask and help your question.
Yes.
You can also click the follow button, and when we live in the next time, you will see us firstly.
Yes, and we will bring you more products of our company. As you mentioned, we are professional steel supplier. Not only we can supply stainless steel products, but also we can provide the carbon steel, aluminum, copper, or other materials.
Thank you for coming to our live streaming. I'm so grateful to have you guys here.
Thanks for your likes, and I would appreciate if you click the following button, and we will see you next time.
Yes, please click the follow button. My partner is so handsome. If you like him, and me, I'm so clever, smart, and beautiful. I want to dance. Comment. You also can comment down below to let me know what product you like to see, you like to want. 告诉我你评论出来你想要什么东西。You can chat with our customer services to ask for our company's catalog. Our company is a professional professional steel products exporter and manufacturer. We can provide carbon steel products, stainless steel products, aluminum ingot.
Yeah, aluminum ingot.
Aluminum ingot and aluminum plate. And we can also provide galvanized plate.
Yeah.
Or galvanized corrugated sheet.
Of course.
And color coated sheet.
Yeah.
Oh, I'm so clever.
Oh, what a clever girl.
Thank you.
Just showing everything she knows to our friends.
Yes. And not only like plate, also pipe, coil, bar, round bar, square bar, and rebar.
Rebar.
Rebar. And rebar. And have any question? I don't
have any question.
You have a question, you ask me. No.
Okay.
No,
not this one.
A simple question. Okay.
Okay, this one.
Okay, this one. This one.
Can you see this reference? Reference here.
Yes.
Do you know who made this?
Who?
It was me.
Who again? Okay, you.
It was me.
辛苦什么？
That was
辛苦是 hard. You are so hard. Hardness. Hard.
That was about 10 years ago.
10 years ago.
Yeah. And
it's also a story.
And that day was very hot.
Long ago.
It feels like everything is burning. It feels like our world is like a hill.
Hill.
Yeah. And I took about 5 hours from my home to our company. And I almost died on the way to my company.
Didn't you are you?
And all the 5 hours, I feel like I'm all fired.
Are you joking? 啊，对，Did you joke?
And finally, I survived. I make it.
Okay.
I arrived at our company.
Mm-hmm.
I used all the rest of my strengths to write the reference and put it on the sample. And then I fall down and lost my mind forever and ever and ever.
The tough. 形容你形容是 the tough describe you. The tough describes you is so suitable.
Maybe it's not enough.
Should be what word should be used?
There is no word on the word can describe my pain.
体验是
很苦难。
Okay. You are so pain.
Yeah.
There is only rest 3 minutes.
Okay.
3 minutes. Don't forget to follow the. Don't forget to click the follow button on your right. Right 你的右边。
Right corner.
Right corner. Yes. And you can also ask. You can also chat with our customer services to ask for our company catalog. Our catalog. Yes. Customer service will send to you our company catalog.
Pain.
Yes, you are so paying for the simples, every simple.
I used all my energy to make references for them.
来
我说我用尽了所有的精力给他们贴上了标签。
Thank you.
You are welcome.
Not only pipe and also this plate.
Yes.
This simples. Yes, it's they are Johnson to write.
Yes. The symbols, the references of these symbols are made by my blood and sweat and tear.
没听懂。
血与泪与汗。
OK. 哎呀妈呀！这别整了，这就整活儿一天。
1分钟吧。
1分钟我看看热度。
8、11、17。
The simple. Eh? Why is this? Is this also stainless steel 304, right?
Yes.
But the surface is different. It's different.
Different.
Different
Different
from this.
Of course, because there are different surfaces about the stainless steel. Of course, they have different kinds of surface. This one is 8K and this one is 2B surface.
2B.
or not to be.
Not
It's a problem.
2P 没光啊，可是没光呀。
I think the thickness is also reflect the surface thickness.
Yes.
Because the stainless steel plate the more thick as the surface, the more roof
和弱越厚越粗
粗。对。Yes, I know. Never.
这是什么意思？要结束了。
你看我干嘛？
不是，我看你摆手是不是结束了？
等下是来看看。And these two samples of stainless steel 201 material.
Yeah.
And but the weight is different. Why?
Why?
Because
Just like just take a look about the dimension.
Dimension. Okay, dimension.
And what's in your hand?
My hand is marked. All the diameter is 38.1 millimeters, and thickness is 1.5 millimeters.
Yes, the dimension, our diameter and the thickness is the same.
Same.
Yes, it's the same as yours.
Why? The length is different.
Yes, maybe the length is different. You can compare.
Yes, the length is different. The length. The length is different. You are smart.
Yes.
I just thought the thickness is different, but the thickness is same.
They are the same in the thickness and the diameter, and they are different from the length.
And our lives, we will finish the live, okay, right? Do you have any question for us to ask me and my partner Jonathan?
Yes, if you have any questions, please feel free to comment below, and we will help you.
Okay. The simple. Would you like to introduce our company for our friends?
Of course.
Please.
And as we mentioned, our company is a professional steel supplier from China, and not only we can provide the stainless steel products, but also we can offer the carbon steels, aluminum, and copper, and so on.
Yes.
And we can offer you the customized purchase device and good quality and good price. We sincerely invite our customer to visit our factory and company.
Yes, the thickness, length, width, and surface are also can be customized.
Yes, we can customize the dimension you need. Just send the inquiry to us.
And the material we can also provide cans of material.
Yes, cans of material.
Such not only stainless steel, but also
carbon steel,
aluminum steel,
yes,
and copper steel. Copper steel like a copper plate, copper bar, or copper pipe.
Yes.
Okay. We went through all the products for today, and thank you all for watching.
Yeah. Don't forget to subscribe our channel and click the following button, and we will bring you more of our good products next time.
Yes, if you like me and my partner Jonathan, please click the follow button, and when we live in the next time,
Yeah.
you will see us firstly.
Of course. And that's our live streaming today. We will see you next time.
Okay. Yes. Bye. Bye.
Bye.
你可以点结束直播了。等。
你从几点直播的
？8，看不见。唐鲁你关了。从6点10分。6点10，对。
为什么调到这个时间？
因为邹姐想试6点到8点，8点到10点的。这周应该试不了8点到10点，因为明天不是说为了你关了已经。关了。就是关了。这个得停止。